This marvel ingeniously blends the comfort and style of a high-end SUV with the thrilling potency of a sports machine. At its heart roars a twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 engine, delivering a robust 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. Supported by a sophisticated Quattro all-wheel drive system and a seamless 8-speed automatic transmission, the SQ7 is truly in a class of its own. Now let's dive deeper into what makes the SQ7 not just a vehicle, but a statement. Every angle and line on the SQ7 has been meticulously crafted for both function and form. The SQ7's exterior has been refreshed with a reshaped grille, higher-mounted headlights, and new daytime running light LED signatures, adding a touch of modern sophistication. The palette of color options, from the striking Saphir Gold, the cool Ascari Blue, to the fiery Chili Red, each adds its own unique personality to the vehicle. As we move into the interior, the detailing becomes even more impressive. A range of new upholstery options combined with a choice of wood and metal trims allows for a personalized luxury experience. Further emphasizing customization are the new wheel designs that range from a solid 19 to a robust 22 inches. But the SQ7 isn't just a pretty face, its performance and technology are equally breathtaking. Buckle up as we explore the thrilling performance and cutting-edge technology of the SQ7. Under the hood lies a twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 engine, delivering a robust 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse closely mirrors the prowess of the RSQ8, offering an exhilarating ride without sacrificing the versatility of a family SUV. The sports suspension system masterfully balances nimble handling with supreme ride comfort, ensuring every drive is both thrilling and smooth. Meanwhile, the infotainment system has been upgraded to include seamless integrations with popular apps like Spotify and Amazon Music, enhancing your journey with endless entertainment options. Advanced driver assistance features now encompass lane change, distance, and intersection warnings, elevating safety and making every trip more convenient. The 2025 Audi SQ7 Quattro is more than just a car, it's a companion that understands the road and respects your comfort. In a world where expectations and realities rarely align, the 2025 Audi SQ7 Quattro sets a new standard. With its twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivering 500 horsepower and a cabin that marries luxury with the latest technology, this SUV stands apart. The refreshed design is both striking and functional, turning heads wherever it roams. Imagine the thrill of commanding such power wrapped in opulence, with every drive not just a trip, but a statement. Experience the future of luxury performance SUVs. Experience the 2025 Audi SQ7 Quattro.